Picture this. You're living in a foreign land, yearning for better opportunities for your family and yourself. That was my reality just a few years ago. I was nestled in a corner of the world where the horizon seemed narrow and the future uncertain. Yet a spark of hope ignited within me as I discovered the potential of a program called the Global Talent Stream. My family and I were like many others, dreaming of a life in Canada, a country that promised a wealth of opportunities, a higher quality of life, and an inclusive society. But the path to this dream was laced with challenges. The process of immigration is often a daunting labyrinth filled with paperwork, long waits, and uncertainty. However, the Global Talent Stream program presented a beacon of hope amidst these complexities. I was working in tech, a field that Canada was eagerly looking to expand. The Global Talent Stream program was a godsend, specifically designed to attract foreign workers with unique skills in sectors experiencing labor shortages. It was a ray of hope, a chance to turn our dreams into reality. So, we embarked on our journey. We navigated through the sea of paperwork, met with immigration officers, and endured the nerve-wracking interviews. There were moments of doubt, moments when the obstacles seemed insurmountable. But we held on to our resolve, fueled by the promise of a better life. Then came the day that changed our lives forever. I remember it as clearly as if it were yesterday. The joy, the relief, the anticipation. It was all so overwhelming. We had been accepted. Our dreams were finally within our grasp. The struggles were worth it, the journey worthwhile. And that was how my family and I were able to plant our roots in the land of the maple leaf, all thanks to something called the Global Talent Stream program. But what exactly is this program? Let's delve into it. The Global Talent Stream program, in essence, is a golden ticket for talented individuals around the world to come to Canada. Now, let's delve a little deeper. The Global Talent Stream program, or GTS, is a part of Canada's temporary foreign worker program. It was launched in the summer of 2017 as a 2-year pilot project, but due to its overwhelming success, it was made permanent in 2019. The purpose of GTS is twofold. First, it aims to help Canadian employers fill in the gaps in their workforce where there is a scarcity of Canadian citizens or permanent residents with the required skills. And second, it provides an opportunity for skilled foreign workers to come to Canada and contribute to the country's growth. So who exactly is this program for? Well, it's for the tech wizards, the software gurus, the engineering marvels, and the scientific geniuses. It's for the people who possess exceptional skills in their respective fields and are eager to bring their talents to Canada. The GTS program offers numerous benefits, making it a truly attractive option. The processing time is incredibly fast, with most applications being processed in just 2 weeks. This allows talent to flow into Canada more quickly, boosting the economy and accelerating innovation. Moreover, workers coming through the GTS program can bring their families with them, and they can also apply for permanent residency, offering them a chance to make Canada their new home. But it's not just about the individuals. The program also benefits Canadian businesses. It allows them to access a wider pool of talent, and in turn helps them to grow and compete on a global stage. So, in a nutshell, the Global Talent Stream program is a win-win for everyone involved. It's helping to shape a vibrant, diverse, and innovative Canada. So, you're probably wondering, how do I get involved in this? What's the process like? Well, it's time to get into the nitty-gritty. Navigating the Global Talent Stream process might seem daunting at first, but fret not, I'll walk you through it. Let's start with the basics. The Global Talent Stream, or GTS, is an innovative program designed to help Canadian employers access highly skilled global talent to propel their companies forward. But how does it work? Well, it's not as complicated as you might think. Firstly, you need to determine your eligibility. Are you a highly skilled worker in a field that is in demand in Canada? The Global Talent Occupations List is a great resource to check whether your skills are in demand. This list is reviewed and updated regularly, so keep an eye on it. Once you've determined that you're eligible, the next step is to find a Canadian employer willing to sponsor your application. This might be the most challenging part of the process, but don't be disheartened. Canada is full of innovative companies looking for talent just like yours. Next, your potential employer will need to apply for a Labor Market Impact Assessment, or LMIA. This is a document that Canadian employers need to get before hiring a foreign worker. The employer must prove that there is a need for a foreign worker to fill the job and that no Canadian worker is available. Now here's the good news. Under the Global Talent Stream, the processing time for a LMIA is just 10 business days. That's right, just 10 business days. This is a significant improvement compared to the usual processing times, which can take several months. Once the LMIA is approved, you can go ahead and apply for a work permit. Again, under the global talent stream, the processing time for work permit applications is also fast-tracked to 10 business days. Isn't it remarkable how quickly the wheels can turn when you're on the right track? While the application process is going on, make sure you have all your personal documents in order. This might include your passport, educational certificates, work experience letters, and any other documents that prove your skills and experience. And what happens after you apply? Well, if your application is successful, you'll be granted a work permit to come and work in Canada. This could be your golden ticket to a new life in one of the most welcoming countries in the world. But remember, the global talent stream is just one way to come to Canada. There are other immigration programs too, each with its own set of requirements and processes. So if the global talent stream doesn't seem like the right fit for you, don't worry. There are plenty of other opportunities to explore. Keep in mind that while the global talent stream process is faster than most, it's not guaranteed. The success of your application depends on many factors, including your skills, experience, the needs of the Canadian labor market, and the specifics of the job offer you have. But don't let this discourage you. The global talent stream is a fantastic opportunity for skilled workers to come to Canada, and it's worth exploring if you're looking to make a move. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to apply for the Global Talent Stream program. Remember, every journey starts with a single step. So, let's recap what we've learned about the Global Talent Stream program. This unique initiative is a beacon of hope for those seeking to start a new chapter in the picturesque landscapes of Canada. The program's primary goal is to facilitate the swift and smooth transition of global talent into the Canadian workforce, thereby promoting diversity and enhancing the nation's economic prosperity. The Global Talent Stream program is distinguished by its speed. Unlike traditional immigration routes that can take years to finalize, this program can process applications in as little as 2 weeks. Yes, you heard it right, 2 weeks. This expedited process is a game changer for individuals and families eager to embark on their Canadian journey. But the benefits don't stop at speed. The program offers a clear and comprehensive pathway to permanent residency. This means that not only can you work in Canada, but you can also make it your forever home. And let's not forget the opportunities for professional growth and development that come with working in one of the world's most dynamic economies. Now let me take you back to my personal journey. My family and I are living proof of the life-changing potential of the Global Talent Stream program. We boarded a plane with our hearts filled with hope and landed in a country that welcomed us with open arms. Thanks to this program, we found more than just a new place to live. We found a community, a sense of belonging, and opportunities for a brighter future. So if you're dreaming of a new beginning in Canada, the Global Talent Stream program might just be your answer. It's not just about filling a job, it's about building a life. It's about finding a place where you can grow, contribute, and create lasting memories with your loved ones. The Global Talent Stream program can be your passage to a new life in Canada, just like it was for my family and me. So, take that leap of faith and who knows, you might just find yourself calling Canada home too.